What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making this air fryer spicy shrimp bowl with my avocado, cilantro, and lime sauce. This homemade sauce is absolutely amazing, and this spicy shrimp is done in no time in the air fryer. And guys, if you don't have an air fryer, you can always just pan fry this shrimp and cook it till perfection. But this dish is an ultimate weeknight meal. So stay tuned for the recipe. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join the foodie family, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get cooking. So I'm going to start by making the sauce first, and the main ingredients for the sauce are going to be this cilantro. I have a bunch of cilantro that I already washed. I have one jalapeno here that I de-seeded. I don't want it to be spicy. And I have one lime here, which I'm going to be juicing, and then I have one avocado, but I only ended up using half of it. And then now in a food processor, you can also use a blender if you have that. You want to add all of your cilantro in there. I know this looks like a lot in my small blender, but once it's blended, it's going to be perfect. Then I'm going to add my one jalapeno that I de-seeded. You can leave the seeds in there if you want, guys. I just didn't want this sauce to be too spicy for me. And then I have that one lime that I'm juicing in there. You definitely want to use fresh lime in this. It makes a big difference instead of using that concentrated lime juice that you find in stores. And then add half of the avocado. You can also use a full avocado, but I think the half avocado was fine for this amount that I was making. I'm also adding 2 heaping tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Instead of yogurt, you can add mayo just to give it a creamy consistency. I'm also going to add a little bit of olive oil. I have about a teaspoon here. And then I have 3 cloves of garlic that you want to add in there. You can add them in there whole. And then some black pepper to taste. And also some salt to my taste. And then just cover the food processor or the blender if you're using one, and just process everything in there so everything is really well married together and mixes well together. Give it as many pulses as you need to so it's a nice smooth consistency. And that beautiful rich green color is just amazing. It's going to look really good on the shrimp, and you can use this sauce for anything you want, guys. I've used this sauce for rotisserie chicken and it is absolutely amazing. So this is what the consistency of the sauce will look like. It's going to be on the thicker side. It's not going to be a thin sauce. You can also adjust your salt and pepper at this stage. And then you want to put this in the fridge so all the flavors can really come together. And now let's make our spicy shrimp. And I'm going to marinate the shrimp first. I have a pound of deveined and cleaned jumbo shrimp here. I'm going to add a little teaspoon of some olive oil in there first. Then I have some dried parsley. I'm using about a teaspoon, but you can adjust all of these spices and herbs to your liking, guys. Then I have some smoked paprika, which gives it a nice deep flavor and a nice rich red color. I'm using a teaspoon of it. Then I have some red chili flakes. These are extra spicy. I'm not sure why they are super spicy, but I only used about half a teaspoon. And then I have black pepper to my taste, which is grounded fresh. And then I'm adding some chopped garlic in there. And then between half a teaspoon and a teaspoon of onion powder. And of course, salt to your taste. I added about a teaspoon. I think that would be enough for all of this shrimp, but as usual, I was eyeballing the amount. And then you just want to mix all of this up with a spoon or your hands until all of the shrimp is coated with all the seasonings and the garlic and the onion and the herbs. And now I'm going to marinate this for about 20 minutes, but you really don't have to. Shrimp doesn't need a long time to marinate, and you can set this aside for now. And now in my trusty air fryer, I have a small air fryer that I got off of Amazon. I'm just going to set this up so that it can preheat. Definitely you always want to preheat your air fryer, guys. An air fryer is basically a small oven, and same thing you would do with an oven is you preheat it every single time you bake something. You want to preheat your air fryer every single time. I will link this air fryer in the description box below if you guys want to purchase it. It is from Amazon and it was very affordable. And then I have my marinated shrimp that I'm just going to add to the air fryer that I already preheated. And you just want to toss this around in the air fryer box so that it is spread out evenly. You can also use the silicone or the paper liners for your air fryer. I will link some down below in the description box that you can easily find from Amazon. And then you want to close your air fryer and cook this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. And after about 10 to 12 minutes, let's check on my air fryer shrimp. Look at that air fryer shrimp. The crust of the spices has really gotten golden on those shrimp, and these look absolutely perfect. They look like they are perfectly cooked. And now let's assemble my shrimp bowl. I cooked some white basmati rice that I'm just going to put in my serving bowl. This rice cooked so perfectly, it's nice and fluffy. And then look at my spicy air fryer shrimp, guys. I'm just filling up this bowl because it is a big bowl to show you guys how I would typically serve this. I'm also going to have half of an avocado on the side. Avocado is so good for you guys. And then I also have some grape tomatoes here that I cut into half. And then I have my avocado, cilantro, and lime sauce that I made. This sauce, guys, I cannot tell you enough how much I love this sauce. And I'm also just garnishing it with a little bit of fresh cilantro on the top just to make it look really pretty. And here is my air fryer spicy shrimp bowl with my homemade avocado and cilantro lime sauce. And as I said earlier, guys, you can always switch up the shrimp to some grilled salmon, and then also you can make some rotisserie chicken or buy some rotisserie chicken and just use the sauce. This dish is the perfect weeknight meal. It is ready in no time. Within half an hour you can cook this whole meal. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my quick and easy weeknight meal, my air fryer spicy shrimp bowl with my avocado, cilantro, and lime sauce. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care of yourselves.